Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Improve English. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you speak English with confidence using simple and practical methods. Today's lesson is for everyone who says, I can understand English, but I can't speak it fluently. The truth is, you don't need to study for hours every day. You only need 10 focused minutes and the right practice. In today's video, I'll show you a simple routine that you can follow every day to improve your English speaking naturally. So let's get started. Why are 10 minutes enough? Many learners think they need long classes, difficult grammar lessons, or hundreds of new words every day. But that's not how fluency develops. Your brain learns better when it practices English every day, even for a short time. 10 minutes may sound small, but if you stay consistent, those minutes become hours of real speaking practice. The secret isn't studying more. The secret is practicing regularly. Step 1. Listen. 2 minutes. Choose a short English video, podcast, or conversation. Don't try to understand every word. Instead, focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and how native speakers connect words together. Listening every day trains your ears and prepares your brain for speaking. Step 2. Repeat. Out loud, 2 minutes. Now, repeat a few sentences after the speaker. Copy their pronunciation, speed, and expression. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The more your mouth practices English, the easier speaking becomes. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Step 3, make it personal. 2 minutes. Take one sentence and change it to match your own life. For example, if you hear, I usually wake up early, you can say, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, or I don't wake up early on Sundays. When English becomes personal, you remember it much faster. Step 4. Speak freely, 2 minutes. Now put everything away and speak for 2 minutes without reading. Talk about your day. Describe your room. Share your plans for tomorrow. It doesn't matter if your grammar isn't perfect. And the goal is to keep speaking without stopping. With daily practice, your brain will begin thinking directly in English. Step 5, quick reflection, 2 minutes. Before finishing, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What did I speak well today? Which words were difficult? What should I practice tomorrow? This small habit helps you improve every single day. 3 common mistakes. Before we finish, avoid these 3 mistakes. First, don't skip practice. Even 5 minutes is better than doing nothing. Second, don't wait to become perfect. Fluent speakers improve because they speak, not because they avoid mistakes. Third, don't make learning boring. Choose topics you enjoy. Talk about your hobbies, your dreams, your favorite movies, or your daily life. The more interesting your practice is, the more consistent you'll become. Final message. Remember this. Fluency doesn't come from studying English once a week. It comes from practicing a little every single day. Just 10 minutes of listening, repeating, personalizing, speaking, and reflecting can completely change your confidence over time. So, start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes and follow this routine every day. You'll be surprised by how much your English improves after just a few weeks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. Improve English, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. And goodbye.